Are you ready to transform your body with just a few simple moves? No fancy equipment, no complex routines, just results? Whether you're a complete beginner or someone who's looking to get back into fitness, this full-body workout will have you feeling stronger and more energized in no time. Stick with me till the end, and I promise you'll walk away with a complete workout you can do anytime, anywhere. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and easy-to-follow workouts that help you achieve your goals faster. All right, let's jump straight in. This workout is designed to target your entire body using simple movements that even a beginner can master. You don't need any equipment, just your own body weight. Whether you want to tone up, lose weight, or build strength, this routine is perfect to get you started. Let's start with a quick warm-up to get the blood flowing. We'll do 30 seconds of high knees followed by 30 seconds of arm circles. Ready? Let's go. Squats. 3 sets of 10 to 12 reps. Our first move is the classic squat. This exercise targets your legs, glutes, and core. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, lower your hips like you're sitting in a chair, and stand back up. Keep your chest up and your core tight throughout the movement. Push-ups, 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Next up, we're hitting the upper body with push-ups. Don't worry if you can't do a full push-up yet. Modify by dropping your knees to the floor. Place your hands under your shoulders, lower your chest to the ground, and push back up. This works your chest, arms, and core. Mountain climbers, 3 sets of 30 seconds. Now let's fire up the core and legs with mountain climbers. Start in a high plank position with your hands directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line. Bring one knee towards your chest while keeping the other leg extended, then quickly switch legs as if you're running in place. Keep your core tight and your movements controlled. This exercise is perfect for building core strength, improving cardio, and toning your legs. Plank, 3 sets of 30 seconds. To really work your core, we're going to do the plank. Get into a push-up position, but instead of moving, hold your body in a straight line from head to heels. Keep your abs tight and try not to let your hips sag. Lunges, 3 sets of 10 to 12 rep on each leg. Now let's work the legs and glutes with lunges. Stand tall and step forward with one leg, lowering your hips until both knees are at 90-degree angles. Push through your front heel to return to the starting position and repeat on the other leg. This exercise is excellent for strengthening your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. That's it! A simple but effective full-body workout that you can easily fit into your day. If you stick with this routine, you'll start feeling stronger and more confident in no time. And remember, consistency is key. So make this a habit, and you'll see amazing results. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fitness tips and beginner-friendly workouts. See you in the next video.